Alright, here's a little video of my train horn. There's the horns mounted underneath the bed towards the rear end. That is my air tank mounted in the bed. Those 3 bolts right there in the middle are my air horns where they're attached at. Come inside. I have a little toggle switch right here. All the way down is a regular truck horn. Up one in the middle. Nothing on the steering wheel. Go back to the lever all the way up. It is the train horn. And to get an actual sound of the train horn, I'll get behind it and have her blow it. There you go, that is my train horn.